Standard 12th Business Mathematics, Exercise 5.2, ninth question. Using interpolation, estimate the output of a factory in 1986 from the following data. Your data are given here in years. Years is 1974, 1978, 1982, 1990. Output in 1000 tons is, in the year of 1974 it is 25. 1978 it is 60, 1982 it is 80, and 1990 it is 170. Now you can see the intervals. Just see the intervals. It is 74 and 78, again 82 and 1990. So the intervals are different. Hence we will have to use this method. Okay, so you can write it here. The intervals are different. So the method depends on your intervals only. Okay, so here the intervals are different. Therefore, using Lagrange's theorem, interpolation also you can write it. Interpolation formula or theorem you can use it. So we'll have to write the data over there. First is x naught. This is your x naught, that is equal to 1974. Second is x1, 1978, this value. Then x2, 1982. Then x3 is 1990. Then you will have to write your y naught. So y naught is all the values from here. So that is equal to 25. Then y1 is 60, y2 is 80, y3 is 170. This value they have asked you the output, that is 1986, that we will have to take it as x. Okay, so x is equal to 1986. Lagrange's formula is y is equal to f of x, that is equal to, this is your formula, x minus x1 into x minus x2 into x minus x3 divided by x naught minus x1 into x naught minus x2 x naught minus x3 into your y naught plus the second line x minus x naught into x minus x2 into x minus x3 divided by x1 minus x naught, then into x1 minus x2, again into x1 minus x3 into y1 plus the third line x minus x naught into x minus x1 into x minus x3 divided by x2 minus x naught into x2 minus x1 into x2 minus x3 into y2 plus the last line is x minus x naught into x minus x1 into x minus x2 x3 minus x naught x3 minus x1 x3 minus x2 into y3. So this is your Lagrange's formula. So 4 steps of formulas will be there. So one line, second, third and fourth, all together this is called as your formula. We will have to substitute all these values in this formula. Okay, so first is x is there, we have got x is 1986. So equal to 1986 minus your x1, so that is 1978. into, again x is there, so 1986 minus x2 is 1982, then into again 1986 minus x3 is 1990, so 1990 divided by your x0 minus x1. x0 is 1974 minus x1 is here 1978 into x0 minus x2. So 1974 minus x2 is 1982 into x0 minus x3. So x0 is 1974 minus x3 is 1990 into your y0 is here 25. So write your y0 here into 25. Second line is x minus x0. So x is 19, plus is there. So 1986 minus x0 is 1974 into x minus x2. So x is 1986 minus x2 is 1982. Then again x minus x3. So x is 1986 minus x3 is 1990 divided by x1 minus x0. So x1 is 1978 minus x0 is 1974 into x1 minus x2. So x1 is 1978 minus x2 is 1982. Next is x1 minus x3. So x1 is 1978 minus x3 is 1990 into your y1. So y1 is 60. So write 60 here. Plus third line is x minus x0. So 1986 minus x0 is 1974 into x minus x1. So 1986 minus x1 is 1978 into x minus x3. So x is 1986 minus x3 is 1990 divided by x2 minus x0. So x2 is 1982 minus x0 is 1974 into x2 minus x1. So x2 is 1982 minus x1 is 1978. Then x2 minus x3. So x2 is 1982 minus x3 is 1990 into your y2. y2 is 80. So 80 plus your fourth line x minus x0. So x is 1986 minus x0 is 1974. The next one is x minus x1. So 1986 minus x1 is 1978 into x minus x2. So x is 1986 minus x2 is 1982 divided by x3 minus x0. So 1990 minus x0 is 1974. Then into x3 minus x1. So x3 is 1990 minus x1 is 1978. The next one is x3 minus x2. So x3 is 1990 minus x2 is 1982 into your y3. y3 is 170. We have just substituted all the values. Solving is 1986 minus 1978, you will get your 8. 1986 minus 1982, you will get your 4. Again 1986 minus 1990, you will get your minus 4 divided by 1974 minus 1978, you get minus 4. 1974 minus 1982 is minus 8. 1974 minus 1990 is minus 16. And into your 25 is there as it is. Plus your second line, 1986 minus 1974, you'll get your 12. Then 1986 minus 1982 will get 4. Then 1986 minus 1990 will get your minus 4. Divided by 1978 minus 1974 you'll get your 4. 1978 minus 1982 it will be minus 4. Then 1978 minus 1990 you'll get minus 12. Because 1990 is the negative part is highest, so you'll have to put your minus over there. So into 60. Then going to your third line of solving, it is 1986 minus 1974. You'll get your 12 over there. 1986 minus 1978, you'll get 8. Then 1986 minus 1990, it will be minus 4. Divided by 1982 minus 1974, it will be 8. 1982 minus 1978, you will get 4. 1982 minus 1990, you will get minus 8 into that 80. Plus your last step, 1986 minus 1974, it will be 12. Then 1986 minus 1978, you will get 8. 1986 minus 1982, will get 4. Divided by 1990 minus 1974, you will get 16. Then 1990 minus 1978, it will be 12. 1990 minus 1982 will be 8. Into your last term, it is 170 is there with multiplication. So the next step of solving, whichever you are able to be cancelled, just cancel it and multiply the other terms and write it. Okay, so here minus 4 and minus 4 you can cancel. This 8 and 8 it will go, but minus 1 will be there. 4 and 16 you can cancel, minus 4 will be there. So the left out terms will be in the numerator, everything is cancelled, only 25 divided by, this is minus 1 and minus 4 is there, so divided by 4. Next is plus 12 and minus 12 you can cancel, you will have minus 1. Plus 4 and 4 you can cancel, again minus 4 and minus 4 you can cancel. So the left out will be minus, here 60 into 1 is there, only 60. And your next one is 8 and 8 you can cancel. And this 4 and 4 you can cancel, but here you will have minus 1. Again this 12 and 8 you can cancel, it is thrice. And here it is twice with minus. You can cancel this minus and minus. And this 2 and 80 also you can cancel, it will go 40 times. So the left out will be only this 3 and 40. So you'll have 120. Plus, again 12 and 12 will go. 8 and 8 will go. 4 and 16 will get 4 times here. Then you won't be able to cancel 170 and 4. If you want, you can cancel by 2 tables. Here it is twice. And here it will be 85 times. So the left out will be only 85 in the numerator, and here you have got 2. So 85 divided by 2 equal to 25 by 4. You can use your calculator, you will get it as 6.25. Minus the 60 will be there as it is. Again 120 will be there as it is. Plus again 85 divided by 2. If you cancel it, you will get it as 42.5. So the last step you can use your calculator itself. So therefore your answer will be 108.75. So that is your y. So this is the answer for your 9th question.